Good morning everybody. Today we will be studying about future continuous tense. And to know about future continuous tense, you must know about the continuous. What is continuous? Continuous is the continuity of an action. Whether this continuity is in present, if it is in present, it is present continuous. If it is in past, it is past continuous. And if it is in future, it will be future continuous tense. In last class, we studied about simple future tense. In simple future tense, we used will plus base form of the verb. Why did we use will plus base form of the verb? Because with all models, only the base form of the verb is used. Okay, and where we used that simple future tense, we used simple future tense for the actions that will take place in future. That will take place in future means that will take after some time. The time when you are speaking, they will take place after that. But there is one main thing in future simple tense. In future simple tense, those actions which we consider in future simple tense take place only once in future. वो एक बार होते हैं बस. But if we talk about future continuous tense, in future continuous tense, the actions which we will talk about will be taking place in future. They will not be completed in future. If they will be completed in future, they will be in future perfect tense. But now we are not talking about future continuous tense. At present, we are talking about future continuous tense, not about future perfect tense. Remember? And to know more about this tense, we must know about the helping verbs and verb of the tense. Why we have used will be in this tense? Because to show future time we have used will, and we cannot use present participle or ing form with will. That's why a be form has been used. Why we used be? Why not been, being, etc.? ये use क्यों नहीं हुआ है? क्योंकि again, which I told you earlier, with models only the base form of the verb is used, and that is be. Okay? Or with all the be forms, whether it is be, base form, is, am, are, was, were, being, with all these forms, only the present participle, or you can say fourth form, is used. Got it? You must. Okay. Now, we will be learning, I'll teach you where this tense is used. This tense is used to express an action which will be in progress. Which will be in progress means which will be in running form, which will not be completed in future. जो action running form में होगा उसके लिए हम use करेंगे future continuous tense, which will be in progress at a given time in future. Remember one thing, in this tense we always mention time to show the continuity of the action in future tense. Now look at the given examples. At 11 o'clock, it is the time. At 11 o'clock tomorrow, I'll be taking your class. As I take usually, I teach you at 11 o'clock. So at 11 o'clock, I'll be taking your class. Next, I'll be working all day tomorrow. All day means complete day, full day. I will be working all day tomorrow. Tomorrow, since morning to evening, I'll be working. I want to be free. She will be revising all evening. All evening means the time when evening starts and the time it ends. That is all evening. 5 to 8, 9, whatever the time you think about evening. I will be playing a new character in the play. I'll be playing a new character in the play. We have not used time in this sentence, but the play will be taking place in future. So it is clear, when any action that has not started yet, that will start in future and will be continue in future. To express that action, we use future continuous tense. And if we talk about simple future tense, in simple future tense we use will plus first form because that action takes place once in future. Now let's learn how to use this tense. Imagine you are talking about at the present time. This is the present time and you are talking about any action that will be in running form in future. This is the present time and this is the future time at which an action will be in continuity. At 9 o'clock she will be doing her work. This is the time of present and this is the time of future about we are talking. 9 o'clock. The activity of doing the homework will be in progress. 9 o'clock क्या होगा कि she will be doing her homework. She will be doing her homework. She won't have completed her homework by that time, or neither she will start her homework at that time. She may have started her work before the given time and that work will be continuity after 9 o'clock. तो मतलब होगा क्या कि वो वर्क 9 o'clock से पहले में भी स्टार्ट होगा और उससे बाद तक चलेगा. लेकिन 9 o'clock की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं तो 9 o'clock पर वो काम कॉन्टिन्यूटी में होगा. ये बात याद रखिएगा. एंड लेट्स कम टू द सेकेंड यूज ऑफ दिस टेंस. इन दिस टेंस वी कैन यूज सिंपल प्रेजेंट. लेकिन सिंपल प्रेजेंट हम यूज करते हैं तो इट शोज द फिक्स अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द एक्शन. टू टॉक अबाउट रूटीन और अरेंजमेंट इन फ्यूचर, मतलब इफ it is a routine in future that action takes place regularly or that has been planned earlier, we use future continuations. Let's come to the example. The new chairman will be visiting the bank tomorrow. It is not fixed. The new chairman will be visiting, मतलब it is expected or it may happen. It is, the chance are not 100%. But if we use the new chairman is visiting the bank tomorrow, so it means he will be visiting the bank 100% sure. Lekin now this is not 100% sure. It is a probability. Next week the PM will be addressing the chief ministers of the states. Next, what will happen next week? The PM will be addressing the chief ministers of the state. Okay, it may be arrangement but not 100% fixed. अगर हम इसमें is addressing लगा देते हैं तो वो 100% sure हो जाएगा. Maybe that may be postponed or procrastinated because of some reasons. But if we are using is plus addressing तो fix होगा बिल्कुल. So I hope you have learned something about this tense, where we can use this tense. Now I will give you some sentences to practice future continuous tense. It's the time to have some practice and to know more about this tense. In first sentence, remember one thing at last, there is a question mark. The principal look into these cases herself. It's a question mark. So how will you make this? Will the principal be looking? In interrogative sentences, be will be used after the subject. Will the principal be looking in these cases herself? In this way, this tense will be made. My cousin dash verb is leave for USA next week. She has got a job there. What will be filled in this? My cousin will be leaving for USA next week. She has got a job there. Third sentence. Please fasten. It is fasten, not fasten. It is fasten. Please fasten your seat belts. We dash take off in a few minutes. We will be taking off. Or we can use simple present tense, present continuous tense in this. We are taking off. This is also correct. Or we will take off. This is also correct. I not stay at Hotel Taj from August 4 to 14. Not है तो if we will use will not be or won't be. The contraction or short form of will is want, not willent or anything else. It is want. So I won't be staying at Hotel Taj from August 4 to 14. I hope you have got something and you have learned something about future continuous tense. If you have any queries and if you have to ask anything, you can let me know in comment section. Okay? Take care. Bye bye.